How to get invisible item frames on Minecraft Bedrock and Java Edition. Let's start with Bedrock and then move over to Java. So on Minecraft Bedrock Edition, you have two options to get invisible item frames. The first of these is using a resource pack. So as you can see, I've got an invisible item frame right here. I can place this down and I can place whichever item I want inside of it. I can use it like a normal item frame to spin it around. You can even put this on the floor, the ceiling, or anywhere you want in your Minecraft world. Now, don't worry if you're on Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch, you can do this on console as well. I'll teach you what the resource pack is and how to get it on console, but first of all, I'll teach you an alternative method. As you can see here, there's a bunch of invisible item frames. So these are all item frames, but they're all holding the items, and you can change the position and the item as well, so I can make this be positioned wherever I want it to be for this example. Now, this is using armor stands. So let me show you how to make one, and then I'll show you the command you need for this. The reason this exists is if you are on console and you don't want to go through the hassle of downloading packs onto your console, as it can be kind of difficult, then this is an alternative to the invisible item frames resource pack. So let's place down an armor stand right here. Give it the item you want it to be holding for your invisible item frame. So in this case, we're going to use a book. You can then crouch and click on it and change the position of the item. So let's go for this one right here. Next, you need to get yourself a name tag. Go to an anvil and you need to name it. So the name you want is simply invis, like this. Then with your name tag, you want to crouch and click on your armor stand. And as you can see, it's now invisible. Now the command for this is simply this command right here. So it's a repeat command block, and pause the video and write this into your own command block. Then if you do turn off the command block, all of your armor stands will turn back to normal armor stands. And any that aren't named will just act as normal armor stands in your Minecraft world. Now, as for the invisible item frame resource pack, this is the pack you need, VIP Army Invisible Item Frames. It's available to download in my Discord server, so join the Discord. I'll leave the invite in the pinned comment. Then type !frames to get the invisible item frames. Before I show you how to download this on console, let me quickly show you how to get invisible item frames on Java. These are invisible item frames on Minecraft Java Edition, so you can use them like any other item frames. And this is one right here, so if I place this down, I can put whatever item in I want. And as you can see, I can flip it. You can even put this on the floor, on the ceiling, or anywhere else you want in your Minecraft world. So this is the command right here. So pause the video, type this into your chat, and then press enter, and you'll get your invisible item frame. If the command doesn't work for you, you're likely playing on an older version of Minecraft. If the command changes in the future, I will let you know the new command in the pinned comments. And if you're a console player and want to get the invisible item frames resource pack, click on the video on screen to learn how to download it onto your console.